Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, I got a few boxes over here. Your girl went to the Coach outlet, and I will leave that vlog up here in the card so y'all can check it out. I did purchase something at the outlet that particular day, and then I placed the other two items I placed on the Coach.com website and also the Coach outlet website. If you want to see everything I got over here, like, do you want to see all of this goodness? Then please keep watching. So, like I was saying, I went to the Coach outlet, picked up a new wallet where you can carry your keys, because if y'all didn't already know, I have been carrying my Henry Bendel key pouch for a while. It's over 2 years. I've been wearing it ever since I purchased it. I was in the market for a new one, so when I was out the outlet, I saw something that caught my eye, so I did end up purchasing it. And here is your bag right here. And I did go to the outlet in the McDonough area, so that's like kind of close to me. Not close, but it's a lot closer than going all the way to Woodstock or the one off of 400. I asked for a box because I said it was a gift, but I just like my stuff to be, you know, presented right, if you get what I'm saying. Let me show you. So yeah, here is your Coach box, and they don't give you this box, you have to ask for it. So if you looking to, you know, want a box with your purchase, just let them know it's a gift and they will give you a box along with tissue paper. Got this cutie here. I was getting bored of my Henry Bendel, so I decided to purchase this because it has your zipper right here, and then you have pockets in the front, and then you also have pockets in the back, and then it also have your keychain. You can apply your keys to this, everything you need. And I forgot, it do have a pocket here in the back. And I like these little key wallets because of the fact that a lot of times when I'm running to the Mac machine, or like I said, running to Walmart or Target, sometimes I don't like carrying a big old bag all the time. So with this, having my driver's license, my credit cards, my BJ's cards, my whatever cards I need is always kept in here. I love having these little key things because they just have been a lifesaver for me. Like I said, I'll take this and go, and that's all I need. That's one of the items that I got. So moving on to my other small little box, I got this off of, oops, I'll pick that up later. This off the Coach website, because if you watch that vlog, I had on this little cute little crossbody bag, and it was like a mint green or some type of turquoise color, and I really liked that bag a whole lot, but that was the only one that they had. Didn't have any in the back, and I'm the type of person, I like to have my stuff brand new where it's not tampered with or touched or anything. So when he said that was the only one, I was like, okay, never mind. I'll just go online at home and see if I can find one, because it had a little bit of scratches on it. You could tell the leather was messed with a lot because it showed wrinkles on the bag and everything like that. It's a really cute bag. So when I went online, I purchased the same bag, but I didn't get that color. I'm falling in love with something else, and I will show you, because I was looking of purchasing a Gucci Mormont, I think it's Mormont bag. I'll try and leave a picture up here in this video so y'all can see what I'm talking about. And this bag kind of reminds me of that. Of course, we know the Gucci one is about $1,000. So I was like, okay, if I'm loving this particular size and can do a lot with it, then I can see myself, you know, down the line maybe going ahead and purchasing that Gucci bag. Because I did try it on when I was back home at King of Pressure, and I did have a couple of pictures with me wearing the bag, so I ended up loving it a whole lot. But then when I saw this on the Coach outlet website, I was like, okay, this kind of reminds me of that particular bag. It came wrapped really nice. It didn't come with a box. Here, I thought this was that soft leather. Here's the bag here. Now, this is not the same leather as the other bag, so I don't know, that's a little bummer for me, because I liked that soft squishy leather. It was the same type of leather that was on the Gucci. Not sure of the same particular, but it felt the same. That's what I meant to say. It felt the same as that Gucci Mormont material. Here doesn't feel like the bag in the store, like it was that, again, soft leather. And this here is pebble leather or something. It feels like pebble leather, but in the description it didn't say that. Anyway, here is the bag. Here is the inside of the bag. I'll go ahead and take everything off because y'all know how I do my unboxings, and then I'll share everything else on a separate type of video. Show you the inside of the bag, but like I said, I will go in more detail on a separate video. Here is the inside. I think is that what color is this? That ox blood? I don't know. It looks like a burgundy or off brown color. It is like a microfiber type of feeling in the inside. The bag is cute. I just wish it was that soft squishy leather that I fell in love with on that turquoise type of bag. I thought it was, so I don't know. I'm gonna play with it a little more to make sure I'm loving it. But yeah, you guys, here is the bag, and it is called, let me tell you, it's called the Cassidy. The mini Cassidy in the black, and I like the black with the gold, and then you have your Coach little tag here. So here is bag number 1. Now here is my big purchase I got on the actual Coach website, because by the time this video up, the sale is over, but they had 30% off their whole site on certain pieces, and this particular item I wanted really bad, and I'm bummed to say I was very disappointed in the packaging, how it came and everything like that. So this bag will be going back, but for the sake of the video, I did want to share it just because, you know, just in case somebody's out there looking for this particular bag. Share my unboxing before I decide to take it back, but I am letting y'all know I am returning this bag because, like I said, this bag costs a few dollars and the presentation was off. And then also it has minor scratches and things like that because this item here a store, and had I known that before I purchased this bag, I wouldn't have purchased the bag, because like I said, when you ship stuff from stores, there's a chance you will get, you know, a display, a used bag or whatever. Because if that's the case, I would have just went to Lenox Mall to purchase the bag if I wanted to purchase one in store. So I figure if I purchase online, it's going to come straight from the warehouse, but unfortunately it didn't. It came from one of the local Coach stores. So I didn't know, because this is my first time ever purchasing off the actual Coach website. So I thought when you purchase anything from that website, it always, you know, comes with your, you know, box and ribbon and all that. And I found out when I called customer service that you have to request for that. I didn't know, so now I ended up placing another order for something else. So this time when that bag is coming from the warehouse, that gift box that everybody shows here on YouTube. But again, I didn't know that you had to request for that. This in the box, it was like taped over. Of course, I opened the bag. It has your receipt and your return label. Like I said, I will be returning this, so it will be going back. And this here is the Dreamer shoulder bag. Like the dust bag looked like it was just tampered with. Like it had a lot of frays on it and stuff, like, you know, this hanging out. And I'm the type of person, I don't know, I could be crazy, y'all, but when I purchase something, I just want it to come in like perfect condition. I don't want to see scratches or marks or scuffs or anything on my bags. I want to be the one, you know, to put those things on my bags. I don't want to receive a bag that already has that. And I knew this bag was a display bag because nothing as far as the hardware was covered. Purchase stuff, a lot of times the hardware is covered. Like for instance, you see how the hardware is covered. You see the doggy tag is covered. Like this, none of this stuff came covered. And this bag here was less than $100. This here was over $400, and it looked like I said, it was a display item. And I was just like, so I just was upset yesterday. That's all. I'm gonna show the bag anyway, but like I was saying, like none of this was covered. None of this. A scratch here, a scratch here. I'm not sure if you can see them, but it's light scratches on the bag. Like I said, it looks like it's been a display bag. And how y'all, you know, like why would y'all even do, you know, send somebody a display item? Like here's the hardware. The hardware didn't come in no type of packaging or nothing. It just came like they just said, okay, y'all, somebody want to purchase it, go ahead and grab that bag off the shelf, throw that in there, and let's send it off. That's what it looks like. Like the presentation was off. The color block Dreamer shoulder bag. the bag, and this bag here was $4.95. Like I said, it was 30% off. I called customer service, and the lady did say, with some people complaining, like, you know, complaining about the same thing, requesting only warehouse bags to be sent to them because of the fact that, you know, when you purchase something and they ship it from a store, you know, it's a chance you can get a used bag. Because if I purchase from the Coach store, at least I could be there to see the bag and see where it came from or whatever, because, you know, they normally would get them from the back. But if I'm not there, of course I wasn't able to see where they got the bag from. Tell you that this bag was a display bag or a used bag. To, you know, share the bag or whatever. Still do a separate video on the bag just in case, you know, you in the market, because it's a beautiful bag. Like, the bag is beautiful. Like, none of the hardware was covered. This didn't even have tissue paper in here, because like with that new bag I had, you see how I had all that tissue paper? This didn't even have that in there. You have your front pocket here, 2 straps like it has your infinity strap, as though you don't have to worry about, you know, taking this and trying to hold everything together, because then you go ahead and apply it. See, even the buckles look worn. So again, here are your buckles, and they have Coach here on the front of it. Then I like the fact that it came with 2 it came with 2 straps. Like, you can use it with the gold chain, or you can use it with your black blue-black strap. So, yeah, I just wanted to share my really quick unboxing. My next video will be on the Dreamer bag. Again, I'm going to place a lot of stuff in there, show you how it looks on the body and things like that, because like I said, this bag will be going back. But I just wanted to share with you guys the features of the bag, just in case you are in the market for one of these types of bags. Now, besides that, this bag is a beautiful, beautiful bag. When I was calling, you know, she was like, we can ship you out a new bag. So I was like, okay, is it going to come from the warehouse? She said, no, another store. I said, no, don't even worry about it, because I don't need it that bad. It must not be meant for me to keep it. That's how I look at stuff. Because in life, when stuff don't work out, I don't get upset. I'm like, okay, maybe it's just not meant for me to keep the bag. That's how I looked at it. It's just not to drive my own self crazy, you guys. So if y'all are loving my Coach unboxings, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.